sure, I'm sure everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Like I'm supposed to, but so I have two DIYs. One is actually more of a DIY hack because there is not much work to do, and the second is actually a DIY pillow. So that's actually the main DIY, and I am not going to talk that much and the number of times I said and. Anyways, now you're gonna just jump right into the first DIY. Go to Pinterest, Tumblr and search for some aesthetic vintage pictures. Select some of them and get the printouts on some glossy paper, and that's it. I am pasting the foam tape on 4 sides of each picture. It does take some time because I had like 24 to like 25 pictures, and yeah, it does take some time, but take your time, see what looks good. For the boho pillow, you need a white pillowcase, and you need some fabric color, and you can do whatever color you want. Okay, just add some newspapers or cardboard or drawing board inside the pillowcase because you don't want the color to transfer to the other side of the pillowcase. Because I am going to draw a pattern on this pillow, I am trying to keep the color of the pillow as light as possible. So I will be using more of the water and less of the color. You can do whatever color you want, but I think you guys already know that I have a thing for blues and pinks, and so I am coloring it half blue and half pink, a mixture. After you're done, just let it dry and then head over to Pinterest or Tumblr and search for some Urban Outfitters or Anthropologie pillows. There you will get perfect pillow patterns, and they're so cute. Urban Outfitters pillow, sadly we don't have it in India. I don't know why, but we need to have Urban Outfitters here. Now this is totally optional. The pencil thing, this is totally optional because if you are confident enough, you can directly start drawing the pattern with your brush, but I was not really confident, so I had to draw the outlines with the pencil. After I was done drawing the pattern, I started coloring the patterns with the black fabric paint. And just to add a little bit of boho and Anthropologie vibe, I added some lace. You can also use pom-poms. You can use hot glue gun, fabric glue, but I hand sewed the lace, but anything will do.
When you're next to me.
Today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You guys enjoyed it, right? Don't follow me on Instagram. You should, because I'm much more active with my DIYs and hairstyles over there. So I'm gonna show you my profile. It's DIYs by Sushi. Oh my god, Sushmita, you forgot your own account name. So if you are someone who is new, please subscribe to my channel because that is going to help me a lot, and yeah, bye guys.